Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alex. I know this video is a bit different than what I typically do, but I actually pre-ordered the Samsung 20 Ultra in the black color, and it is like 4 days away from when we can go pick it up when they release. So as you're watching this, I think I'm gonna upload it on Monday and I get to go pick it up Friday morning at 8 a.m. So I will have that video as well. I'm gonna do a whole vlogging of picking it up, installing it, showing you guys the phone, kind of like an unsponsored review of the phone. So if you are interested, then subscribe so you can see that when it comes out on Friday. As I mentioned, my phone is like 4 days from being picked up, and if you know me, I am very careful with my electronics. So obviously I had to buy a couple things from Amazon. I went a little overboard. I think I bought like 8 to 9 cases. I have my laptop here so that I can tell you guys the prices as well, but I purchased like 8 items and all the cases range from like $12 up until $20. So there's a bit of a variety just to see the quality and everything, if it's really worth paying like closer to $20 or if you can get away with a $12 case and still be protected for your Samsung, because they're pretty expensive. They were almost close to 2 grand, I want to say. I think it was around 2 grand, something like that. First thing we picked up was screen protectors. So screen protectors are pretty expensive when you go to the store and buy them. I picked up this 2-pack of screen protectors for $19.99. If I remember correctly, the screen protector that I have now on my S9 Plus was $34.99, and it was only for one of them, and this is the glass one. I love glass screen protectors better than the plastic ones or the other ones that they have. I'm gonna bring it with me the day that I get the phone, and hopefully I can pay somebody like an installation fee, so hopefully they have that, because I don't want to pay the $34 for their screen protector when I can just buy 2 for $20. But I don't know how to install it, or maybe my boyfriend, he's installed like screen protectors before for me and they've been fine. Now cases wise, I do have some more girly cases and some that are kind of like unisex cases. This one is definitely my favorite case and I just love it. This is a more girly one, obviously, when you see it. It is from Ciel by Cyril. This is the case. It is a pink marble case and it was $15.99 and it looks like this. I love it. It has the rose gold detailing with like marble tile. I absolutely love this. These cases are really good. It is on the more pricier side. It was $15.99, but this case is so sturdy. It's not like a flimsy one, and on the outside is actually 9H tempered glass. So the outside is glass on the case. There's 4 different things that they advertise. So the air cushion, which is actually here, if you guys can see, at the very tips of all 4 of these, it's a bit lifted, so even if you drop it on the ground, it won't fully hit the ground. This won't hit the ground right away. It'll hit the little like bumps that it has sticking out on all 4 corners. That way this won't completely shatter as well, and it is such a sturdy case. There are little bumps just to make sure that your phone isn't all slippery and everything. It just like holds onto your phone for that extra protection as well. A soft TPU bumper, which is the outside, and then a hard PC base. It is definitely worth the money. I would recommend going this one. I don't like the super thin ones and I don't like the super thick ones, so this is a nice in between. But by the quality and everything, you know that your phone is protected, and I'm not afraid to drop it because this can definitely take a hit. And I love the way that the glass feels. Like, I just love the glass. It's not like plastic, it's glass. So I really like the texture of this case as well, being glass. Moving on, the next one that is the exact same, the little bumper on the inside, the bubbles on the inside, and then the glass on the outside, is this transparent case that has little lines, a geometric kind of shape that it has to it. The only thing with this, it is the exact same quality. I would recommend it as well, but online I thought this case was black. Nowhere does it say that it's clear, and not even on the packaging does it say it's clear. It just says prism. Gives it like a nice subtle design, nothing too crazy. So if you're more subtle but you want protection, definitely go for this one. Next up, the last case that also is the same as the other 2 is this pretty black marble design one. I've never seen a case like this, so that's why I picked it up. Usually you'll see like white marble, more like basic white marble, but for the black one I was like, this one is so pretty. If you want something to kind of just like match everything, the black marble is a really cute design, but still not too like standout-ish. like this one is. These are the 3 of them that have the 4 different layers and that are tempered glass on the outside. Both this one and the black marble were $15.99, and then the clear one was just $1 cheaper at $14.99. Moving on, I picked up this case. This one I'm not even going to open because I'm definitely going to return it because online it looked completely different as well. I'll have it on the screen. I thought it was more of like a blue, and I thought it was more protective. The Ultra doesn't come in blue, but they use like a blue phone to advertise it. So I thought that the case was blue, but it turns out that it's just clear. And it has like little sparkles all over. This is like plastic, and you can bend it, you can move it. And honestly, I feel like this will just turn yellow after a while of using it. It has a bit of a yellow tint already, so I just think it's not worth it. And this was $13.99. So this one I'm going to be returning. It's just not worth it. Next up, we have this case by Ology. It comes in this packaging. This one I'm a bit iffy on. I feel like it'll look really nice, but I need to see it on the phone first. Clear on the base of the phone, and then around it's just a nice rose gold kind of design color to it. Honestly, after feeling this case and the 3 of them and how sturdy they are, I don't really think that these ones can protect my phone as much. Like this one you can't bend. And this one was more expensive. This one was $16.99, but it has the bumps in the middle, like a little texture. If you guys can hear that, it has a little texture just to grip on the phone as well, but the outside is smooth, so you don't have that same texture on the outside. This is detachable. It is a 2-piece that you have to take it off to put on. This guy is $16.99, and I can tell you right off the bat, honestly, it's not as good quality as the other ones, but it is still cute. It will still give you protection, but after feeling the other ones, I'm more secure and more leaning towards using a case like that than something like this. This one is plastic and, like I said, bendable. They all do also have a little bit of a lift to protect the camera, which I'm scared of because the camera pops out of the phone. So that kind of stresses me out a little bit. Same with this one, it comes out a little. 2 more cases that I picked up. We've got, this one's another really good sturdy one. It's from Encased, and it is this white and pink case. The inside is pink. You can see the texture on the inside. So all of them so far have had texture on the inside just to grip your phone a little better. This one's like that. And this one is another very sturdy one. It is hard. This one was the most expensive at $19.99. Comparing it to the $14.99 one, honestly, I feel like they're both the same. This one might just be a more protection because it does look a little more thicker. I really like this one though because, you know, basic white. I need a white phone case. So this one is a definite yes as well. The last phone case that I picked up was this one, and this one is the cheapest one at $12.99. This is more of a unisex phone case, but I don't know how I feel about this one. So as you can see, it has a little bit of like fogginess as the base, and then all the way around is like a matte black solid color. So I'm really interested to see what this looks like on the phone, if it just gives it like a matte look to the phone, like it just looks similar, or what it's gonna look like if it makes it look more of like a grayish color. I'm not too sure. Quality wise, it is sturdy as well. So for $12.99 you will get good protection from this. Quality wise, I feel like these 2 are the most bendable, that won't protect your phone as much, and that if you drop it, you might risk breaking it. So the grand total for all of these items after taxes and everything was $142.40. Honestly, if you are just looking for 1 to 2 cases, whether you are male or female, the protection of this one for $12.99, you can't go wrong. But if you're looking for something more girly, I highly recommend this one or any of these ones. They were $15.99, or even go for the transparent one, which was $14.99. Still save $1, but if you don't really care about the design and you just want to protect your phone, definitely check these ones out. I will have it linked in the description. If you guys know anything about a screen protector, or if you're in the Toronto area, I'm going to Yorkdale actually in the morning. So if anyone knows around Yorkdale or in Yorkdale or if the Samsung store will even do it for me with the screen protector. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to see something specific when I get my phone, like if you want me to test anything specific or kind of do anything specific for that video. Also leave it down in the comments. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!